Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete a contact on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the phone app on your iPhone. Click on the contact you want to delete. Once you click on it, click on the three dots at the top right. Then scroll down. Locate and click on delete contact. Then click on delete contact from the pop. Alternatively, if you have multiple contacts you want to delete, all you need to do is go ahead and use your two fingers and swipe down on your contact to select multiple contacts. Once you've selected them, then use one of your fingers, press and hold it, and then you'll see delete X number of contacts, and you should also see the total number of contacts you want to delete here. Now go ahead and click on delete, then you'll see what that says, are you sure you want to delete all these cards? If yes, go ahead and click on delete contact, and that's it. So that's exactly how to delete contacts on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.